In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hourly jobs on Amazon Jobs. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Amazon Careers website. On the homepage, you'll land on a general overview of roles across the company. What you want to focus on is the section dedicated to hourly opportunities. Scroll the page and look for the area that highlights hourly roles. When you see it, select the option that says Find Your Role. This will take you to the dedicated Amazon Hourly Jobs page. On the Hourly Jobs page, you'll see clearly labeled categories that make browsing simple. Warehouses covers fulfillment centers and sortation sites where you pick, pack, and move customer orders. Customer service focuses on assisting shoppers, typically through phone, chat, or email, and often includes remote or on-site options depending on location. Stores refers to in-person retail roles in physical locations, like specialty or convenience formats. Driver highlights roles that help deliver packages to customers, including local delivery and related support. These category hubs make it easier to match your interests and availability with the work environment you prefer. When a category looks like a fit, click View Jobs. This opens current listings with details like location, schedule, and basic qualifications. If you're specifically exploring retail store positions, you may be routed to the Amazon hiring site. There, choose Search Retail Jobs near you to pull up nearby openings. This helps you quickly see what's available in your area without having to guess zip codes or city names. On the results page, you can view all job listings and use the on-page filters to narrow your search by location, schedule, or shift windows. As you scan each posting, pay attention to the type field. When you see type flex time, that indicates it's an hourly job. This label is helpful for distinguishing hourly roles from other types of employment and can save you time while browsing. A few tips as you review postings. Read the job description carefully for shift expectations and any physical or technology requirements. Confirm the work location and commuting distance, and note whether the role lists part-time, full-time, or flexible scheduling so it aligns with your availability. It's also a good idea to keep a simple list of roles you're interested in, including the job title and location, so you can compare options side by side. That's the full path. Start on the Amazon Careers homepage, move into the Hourly Jobs page via Find Your Role, explore categories like warehouses, customer service, stores, and driver, click View Jobs, and for retail, use Search Retail Jobs near you. Then, on the results page, look for type, flex time to confirm you're viewing hourly positions.